dear Gemini, very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Gemini Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime, honey. Third thing, this is a reading from 1st of November till the 10th of November. Let's start. So this is general, okay? Gemini, your partner's current energy right now is, let me do that, okay? So your partner's current energy right now is Gemini. Let's see. Your partner's current energy right now is let's see. Five of Pentacles. Okay, your partner is feeling left out. They are feeling like they are going through certain kind of loss in their life right now. Emotional loss, financial loss. I don't know what kind of loss, but they are feeling some kind of loss in their life right now, and they're not well. This is kind of depressing for them because they feel like everybody left them in the cold. Somebody left them hanging on the wall, or somebody just looted them, or somebody just took money from them and they're not giving it back to them. Or they might be dealing with share market and they have some kind of losses that they are facing right now. But this is a depressing energy right now for sure. Okay, let me clarify the Five of Pentacles. Okay, let me clarify the Five of Pentacles as their current energy. King of Wands and the Five of Wands and the King of Pentacles. Okay, I feel like they were passionate about something and there was a fight because they might be involved with someone sexually or physically, and there was a very huge fight between you and them, and that fight broke you guys, broke your relationship because of some kind of infidelity. My God. So because of some kind of infidelity, because this person was might be, oh, this is their current energy, so it could be you. They found you cheating on them and they had a very huge fight with you, because of this fight your relationship, might be you guys had a very stable relationship or committed relationship with each other. Because of this thing your relationship is suffering, and especially this person is feeling like you betrayed them. You really did something really bad with them, not able to understand what is happening with them. Or it could also be possible that they were highly passionate about some kind of game or some kind of lottery or some kind of online work, but there were certain things that didn't work out and they lost something very valuable, some large sum of money. It could also be possible, okay? But they are going through some kind of loss for sure in their life. Let me see what's your current energy, Gemini. Let me see what's your current energy. The Empress. Okay, so right now you are looking good, feeling good, flirting with people. You are just trying to make yourself good in your life. You are like, yeah, hell with the love part. I just want to look at myself and feel like an empress. So you are right now going through a very creative phase of your life. You are trying your best to look good, feel good. You are trying your best to be as creative as possible, and you are trying your best to show the world that you're really happy and you don't give a shit to anyone. This is your current energy. You are just being the empress of your life. Gender doesn't matter. It could be a man or woman. It doesn't matter. But you are right now just trying to be as much good as possible, as much creative as possible, as much flirty and happy as possible from your side. Okay, let me clarify the Empress in your current energy. Ten of Swords and the Six of Pentacles and the Seven of Cups. So for you, the worst is over. You're trying to balance your life. You're trying to balance your emotions and your professional and personal life, and you're feeling like you have lots of options. You are feeling like you have lots of options, and you're creating lots of options for yourself as well. I'm sorry. Yeah. So you are feeling like Gemini, the worst is over. You are trying to balance your life, your personal life and professional life, and you are creating lots of options for yourself, or you are confused between lots of options in your life. Okay, whatever it is, you are feeling like you have lots of options in your life. You don't have to sulk in the corner, and you don't have to do anything stupid to get love or to get attention. So that's why you are shifting your focus on yourself only. Cool, got it, Gemini. Beautiful. Let's see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. Let's see. Gemini, let's see. Three of Cups. What they feel for is reconciliation. They want to they feel like they should have reconciliation with you. They feels they right now also they feel like you are their happiness. You really make them happy. You feel they feel like celebrating with you whenever they are with you. This is what they feel for you. They feel like to have a reconciliation with you and celebrate the reconciliation. Okay, let's clarify. Let's clarify. Okay, so this is Eight of Swords and the Queen of Swords and the Devil. There's a heavy third party situation in your reading with this particular person. What they feel is that they should just leave the third party for you and have a reconciliation with you. If you are the one who is having an affair or a third party situation in your life, they want you to leave the third party as soon as possible. They want you to come. They feel like you should just cut out the third party situation or the negativity and toxicity. Because of the third party situation, I can see a hell lot of negativity and toxicity in your connection with your particular person, Gemini. So what they feel for you, they feel mentally conflicted, not able to come out of this jail at all. Okay, they feel like they should have a reconciliation with you, but they are mentally very, very conflicted. They want to cut out the negativity, cut out the toxicity, or cut out the third party situation. Cut out the third party situation. They feel like doing that. And they feel like having a reconciliation with you. You could be dealing with a Capricorn here because the devil is Capricorn energy. So they feel like they should have a reconciliation, and they feel like they should leave the third party. They should cut out all the negativity and toxicity. I feel like either you or them had just a physical relationship with somebody, and that ruined your whole connection with them. It could be you, it could be them, but there was just a physical connection with someone, and that physical connection or physical attraction with somebody else, with the third party, ruined your connection, destroyed this connection completely. Let's see what this person wants from you, Gemini. Let's see what this person wants from you. Three of Pentacles. They want to work on this connection with you. This is what they want for you. They want to put in effort, put in energy. They want to have the teamwork. Again, a third party situation. I am fed up of this reading already. I hate it when there is third party situation. What they want from you is just they want to put in the effort, put in the energy, and put in the teamwork from their side, and they want equal efforts from your side in this connection. This is what they want from you. Let me clarify the Three of Pentacles. Okay. Gemini, beware. The Death card, the Three of Wands, and the Eight of Pentacles. Definitely a third party situation here, Gemini. I'm 100% sure this reading is for someone who is dealing with a heavy third party situation here. What they want from you is they want to end they want you to end the relationship with the third party and just make things work out with them. This is what they this is what they want from you. You could be dealing with a Scorpio here, by the way. So what they want from you is they want you to end the things with third party, and just wait for the right time, just relax for a bit and just work on this connection with them. Put in the effort, put in the energy, and work on this connection with them. This is what they want from you. This is a heavy third party situation. I have never seen so many three cards, in this, in any reading. Three of cups, three of pentacles, three of wands, devil card. Every fucking third party situation card is here. Okay, let's see Gemini, what is happening with you guys till the 10th of November. Queen of Wands. Okay. You can expect a good outcome, you can expect a communication coming in, you can expect a brand new start coming in, and you can expect somebody very passionate towards you coming in towards you. Let me clarify. The Moon and the Wheel of Fortune and the Two of Swords. Okay, so could be dealing with the Pisces here because the moon is here. So your fear, your unknown fear will lead you, your unknown fear will force you to leave everything on the universe, and then that the universe is going to handle everything in your life. But again, you will be on the crossroads, you will be on the crossroads. So Queen of Wands is suggesting me that you are going to take the risk, you are going to wear your heart on your sleeves, and you will be like, yes, I will do whatever it will take for me to do whatever I want in my life. So but internally you will be on the crossroads. Internally you will not be able to decide. The universe is forcing you to trust the universe and trust the process, and you are doing that. Okay, you are doing that, you are trusting the process, you are trusting the universe, but you will be on the crossroads, and internally you will be on the crossroads, not able to decide anything in your life. Confusion, conflict. Thank you so much Gemini for connecting. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.